YouTube, it is day 16. We are here, home. It is snowing now, which is crazy. It's like I got back just in time. But we got a couple things we need to do today or work on getting done. But first, we're gonna make sure we like and comment and subscribe. Next, we about to load up this kerosene heater. As the real supporters know, last year, y'all know the kerosene heater that was put in that work in the shed. So we gotta get that kerosene heater, put some gas in this bad boy, or kerosene in this bad boy, and then we're gonna go from there. So let me load it up. We're gonna get the kerosene for the kerosene heater. We're gonna run the Ross, find us a coat and stuff. I got hats, stuff like that. I really need some pants, so I'll probably get me like one good coat or one work coat, and then another coat, and then some pants. And then I gotta run to Harbor Freight and get me a seal puller. And after that, we're just gonna, what we're gonna do? We gotta flush the heater core. We gotta figure out why we're not getting no heat. But we got a day. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all continue to watch this whole process. And today is a real vlog, you feel me? And it's snowing, and we got the cap so the back is dry. Yeah, we good today. Woo! 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 Alright, y'all, so we just purchased some kerosene right here. It's like $6 a gallon. I think it's like 2 gallons. Hopefully it is, but apparently I'm not close enough. Let's see how close we are, because I purchased 13. Well, I paid $13. So let's see. Gotta fill this bad boy up. $5, $6 right now. It's half a tank, I think. I don't know, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. So before we start on our truck and stuff, we are going to be, let's see, I'm using my brother's headlight. Hold on. Alright, boom. We are going to be taking off, and y'all can't see, we're gonna be taking off the hot wire from the alternator because it's been creating an arc on top of the alternator. So we definitely need to fix that before anything get worse. But yeah, so once I disconnect it, we should be able to bring up that hot wire, pull this heat shield off and the tape, and then rewire it, and it should be good after that. So that's what we're gonna do real quick, and we should be good for today to start the truck. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we got the wire up. Let's see, we got the wire right here disconnected from the alternator, as you can see. So let me turn the light on. So if y'all couldn't see it at first, I'm gonna show y'all where it was arcing. It was arcing right here, or melting, one of them. It must be like a open wire, so we're just gonna open this up. I mean, I just see it being melted. I don't know what's causing it to arc, but it could be a frayed wire There's something right here, so I'm gonna cut it open real quick and we're gonna check it out. All right, y'all, so we got that situated. This vlog, we really just getting back in town, and I really just need to slow it down because I be going fast, but I be going like 1,000,000 miles an hour trying to get everything done. But we over here at the car, just thinking, just ready to see the cam. I mean, damn, I almost gave y'all up. I almost gave y'all up. Y'all almost knew what I was about to do. But yeah, so this is coming along. That is coming along. Everything coming along. We just gotta keep going along with it. You feel me? Other than that, I'm really just ready to start working back on the engine. Of course, we do have to get certain pieces, so like the rack for the steering, and then what else? I don't know. We really got some stuff to figure out, because, or mainly with the dashboard. The dashboard, it don't pop up with everything. In order to get this thing really on the road, we gotta have the freaking washer thing, the windshield wiper fluid, or windshield washer fluid. I'm tripping. I can't even talk right now. Also, next we need to get, what else we need to get? I forgot what we need to get. But when I come up with a whole list, I'm just trying to cram everything. So I just need to slow my brain down. I'm just so ready because I know it's gonna happen. But what we came back for was to get that truck heat system working, and also, what else? Heat system working, and just, and also replace the rear main seal. So my dad said he gonna help me with the rear main seal. Me, I want to replace all the gaskets in the truck. He say, you ain't gotta do all that right now. So, you know, I'm gonna let him have it. I'm gonna let him have it, save me some money, and then we're gonna hop back on the road. I think me and my brother, we're gonna go back on the road, help him make some money. But other than that, we're gonna get this stuff knocked out. Just gotta stay hustling, man. Got to stay hustling. It's one thing that I can do is make me some money. I would never not make me some money, bro. And that's the worst thing you can do, is never not make money. If you ever stop making money, you ain't got to fiend over the money, but at least have some type of flow. If you don't got no flow of income, you might as well be a dead man. Whether it's for your family, for yourself, or just whatever you trying to do, might as well just be a dead man. But honestly, today, unless I do something else, this probably just gonna be it for today. I'm helping my granddad with his truck. That way he can feel, comfortable. Ain't nothing wrong with his truck, but, make sure everything working right. Then I make sure my stuff is right. I do need to go get some coolant, but we're gonna let that be. We ain't really got much to do today, but tomorrow we're gonna come up with a game plan, or when I go sit down in the house, I'm gonna come up with a game plan, get my mind together, and actually make a plan. Because really, I'm just winging it. Even though I know the route that I need to go, I'm just winging it. So I want to stop winging it, and I want to go ahead and put my foot down and get everything really focused upon, and everything has an intentional, outcome. Yo. But with that being said, this is day 16 and we out.